Good news for students applying for financial aid this fall. A recent bill passed in Congress, lowering federal student loan interest rates. Under the deal, undergraduates this fall will borrow at 3.85%. Graduate students would have access to loans at 5.4%, and parents can borrow at 6.4%.
For current students, it's a good thing, and those are fixed interest rates. So for the lifetime of the loan, those interest rates aren't going to fluctuate. So anything borrowed between now and 2015 are going to be at those rates.
In 1 month, rates have dipped by nearly 3%, but it's not likely they'll stay. Student loan rates are now directly linked to the financial markets, a combination of a fixed rate and the yield of a 10-year Treasury bond. Economist and GSU professor Dr. Michael Williams has been studying recent market trends.
And so as the 10-year trades back and forth in the Treasury pits, then the interest rate is going to fluctuate over time based on the economy. And so student interest rates and borrowers' burdens will change according to that rate.
That's good news for now, but in the future, that means that rates could go up.
So in terms of the rate increase, what we're going to see is a year period of time where interest rates are not going to change all that much. And then once the policy changes, you're going to have the 10-year plus that spread. Now what's nice about this is that student loan borrowers are partially protected from ridiculously high interest rates.
More than half of the GSU student population will be affected. According to the Higher Learning Commission Focused Visit Report and Institutional Snapshot, 75.9% of GSU undergraduate students and 59.8% of graduate students receive federal loans. But are students paying attention to their financial portfomilios? Kelly Cole-Abney is a graduate student in the College of Health and Human Services. She has a very interesting story about her student loans.
Coming straight out of high school, I got loans upon loans, and didn't really know the knowledge about them, didn't really pay attention to the interest rates. And when I stopped going to school due to pregnancy, I went into default. I did not know that I could defer them. I didn't know anything. I was totally clueless about the loans, period.
According to a recent poll conducted by TWAG, Kelly's not alone. TWAG polled a sample group of students during Welcome Week. 44% of the students polled do not actively manage their student loans, and 38% think it's too easy to borrow money. 10% have even defaulted on one of those loans.
Borrow what you need, not what you want. Don't borrow if you're looking to upgrade the car or finance a spring break trip or something like that. Those aren't really good educational expenses, I would think. They're not really educational expenses at all.
And that's advice we can all use. Reporting for This Week at GSU, I'm Walter Banasiak, and you have just been twagged. Twag.